on the internet. Now post it on the clicking with me.
Right now I'm moving up from
default skin.
Are you to land with you now?
Yeah, land the front door. Kind of my game.
Are you land with me too?
Alright, me afford.
Hold on.
I have to open the door. Yeah. I want to see that time. I want to see. Somebody do what is it?
Oh, I like
Yeah, that beer man do this in a dog. Me check my phone.
looks like I see me so forward.
Low dog.
Oh,
What man care dog?
that was not low.
SMG trash
That
man
not low.
dog.
57 man have man. You ain't low.
SMG trash, me tell that.
Never low man. GG.
So that's one of them trash man you me tell a dog. I don't like it.
Everybody else like them. I don't really have no problem with them still.
Should me give the man name it. Live with another man came with a pistol.
Yo, don't grow the pistol them, they're tough man.
And a great pistol to a dog. Or pistol tool.
No know how common weapons get so bad overnight.
Yo, I'm not gonna buy no battle pass skin dog. I'm not gonna buy the battle pass dog.
So wait, everything alone?
Just my dude. Everything gone on the level 1 now, nothing. With a different account.
Oh, that rough.
And I was skimming did half from all one dog. Around 23 skimming I'm up on it dog. Purchased them dog. Now the ginger gonna dog ups arguing the Arctic Assassin, the Valkyrie, how many more skins?
Yo, that rough.
I'm a thiefing skin too. I come got on beef food dog. Start by a fin. You can suck them more. Me that food. Yo, all this not to that. So I'm gonna everything there. I'm start a fuck. Every fuck what me done done. I'm not about tear. Me that tear and then treat in a dog. You know the key.
Yo, let me know if you hear Llama Bell song in the right and
Llama Bell.
Llama Bell I'm ringtone. So me know when somebody call me.
Sarang na linya.
And I'm going to give me image.
Yeah, hard.
Hold on.
Follow me. No, follow me. That's just it. Ini aku tebak nak. No, dalam ngalor dia.
Not far.
Ini ngalor. Dia nasi. Body dia. I have to go.
That's fair, man. Yeah, man, here. Team, run us. Run us an image.
You better ever check.
Edit, man. Yeah, I'm in full. I'm not edit and pop out for me, you. Know yourself a thumb buff.
I'm still going to play some Apex and all.
Yes, Maddy.
That's up to Apex.
Me download it, me not
Up
check
to
it.
Apex.
Me download it, let me check it out yet.
And I'll check it out.
Alright,
I'm going
see
on
thing,
Fortnite, dog.
hold on, this
Hmm?
See thing, yeah.
Depend on Fortnite. Apex.
It's understandable. But like me say, the thing is, me not that good for Fortnite, so it makes sense me go divide what little skills me have already. So go play one next game. You get what I'm asking?
So we are go. And I got a circle.
Oh, cool.
Hmm.
Realize it.
Whatever, dog. I'm not gonna spend no more money for Fortnite, dog.
Well, I don't buy Battle Pass already, so I don't need to spend no more.
Nah, man, nothing for Fortnite again. Man, I'm gonna suck shit. That's
So wait,
what I'm gonna do.
you never try see if you can contact them for them Epic Store crap thing.
Yep.
And what them say?
Yeah, Cherry. But I'm gonna text you about dog.
Send me a message about, probably some message about you. Remember, you know, like a Jamaica alone, them cater for where we have 3 million people at the whole world, you know. A lot of people. Me or somebody.
Something to suck. Sure. I'm gonna get my account by tomorrow. By 21 my account. No text me tell them dog. Yeah, by 21. By 21 my account. I don't know what to do. If a bomb on the same dog, be a lag dog. Check. I'm ping the 8 yet.
Me a log too. You pick that 80 than your log. You pick that 700.
But the shoot the man dog, the man take no damage. You shot the man take no damage. Still confusing Apex stuff.
Where are my bullets going?
And then I'm friend man. I'm not a friend online. Brother, where side I go? That's much to see us live.
My lag man. AK is
Indeed, much of. Indeed, much of not me. You need a lag dog. Oh, one of the right there saying, none of material man. Speaking Ross. One shot with these and 2 shot with the Dubai. The dual pistol. That dead. Next time come in with the air and nothing.
I wonder if it's stream Blackout or what.
Nikki 30. Fake. Well, the phones are going to Dubai. I don't really mean Dubai too.
Oh, Karen online.
Kalau kami save tak kabar. Lagi dia ada. Semua strike. Malu kulisan. Let's do a clean dog. Let's do a fun
Probably some come off still.
I'm posting a lot.
I'm not gonna ask for that. Just because much of it so much is not possible.
Oh, I got big looking fuck one.
I think that's for sure. No.
Wait, what? What time? Yeah, yo, so. If I cut the man that call me, bombo.
Who did I call you? Work?
No, friend them.
Well, now, wait, you got to school now, so? I work to work.
Yeah,
How soon?
got soon.
Oh. What kind of career you look for, though?
Yeah, my son, that man look pick me now. Tapi dia big man.
Most times, if somebody present themselves to me as a mature person, I treat them like a mature person. Present yourself as a child, treat you like a child. You don't present yourself as a child. I treat you like a child. But you have people who are child and they want to get treated like a child at times, and then they treat it like a mature person at times. So them have time when they would want to say deal with them like them have people who can cuss bad word and say under certain things, and then they have them time. Everybody along so short.
92. Make a home rushes.
Wait, image on the other land.
No, mama. Some boy here.
Yeah, grenade launcher and pistol never know. Kinda good with this.
Where to him? What him? What's that?
You can't play me.
Brothers. One boy there now. Just
you
done.
come outside playing?
Yep.
You mean inside that house? Yeah man, see me. Still long there? Yeah man, blocking that place. Not a good place to stay
there. In no sense. I come rushed up out of the wood for a long time. Young jackass.
Remember when you were over the house next to modern house?
Oh. Then it was them dog. It's not this smart dog. The two of them could have pushed another two of them, but they're gonna shot the same time.
No man, I'm couldn't push. Come like you know see me a fling grenade in the like whoa. I know them. You check them for the bomb back.
Why me can't find a pump?
Sure.
Eh? But the pump in the dog.
Yeah, actually,
What? Man, take one something.
alright, me see them.
Be attack me.
Not this part of them.
Don't see. Fight what the dog.
Come on, man, fight. You have AR ammo?
Yep. Industrial.
Alright,
Yeah, pushing. Aggressive. Again, yo, because I'm gonna because like that, right? So like that, that up.
Boy! We have company now. Brother land for the house today, man. Shit, man, I'm mad.
No, I know that.
Hold on, the next one I come.
Yeah. No, bomb not a pushing that. Actually, watch it, bomb. Why am I?
I love you.
No, I didn't know you.
I like to watch you. GG.
I'm gonna defend him for on that, yeah.
I like to watch, brother. I swear.
You definitely mean I'm a youth.
Yeah,
I'm gonna no more fun, I'm gonna go suck them, madam. Well, I'm gonna do it again, my dog. You need that game.
My better kill me. Let's drink a slurp juice and chill out, man.
I'm gonna go to my big game.
Hey, Karen.
Yo.
Image, what you doing now?
Not for 8 sir.
Well, I'm going to switch to party, to game chat. Morning, Kara. What's up? What you doing? Hold up. I'm trying to get I bet you know this. I bet you know. What's up? How you doing? Fine. Streaming, by the way. So yeah. Everybody think that BB get these W's. Oh, he killed my beat. He killed my beat. Hold on. Let me see what's up. Image. Oh, you switch to Apex? Alright, cool. Alright. Let us go and run some doors with Karen then. Alright, me I'll leave the party, then. Alright. Be on, but I just said I can. There's just something about that chicken suit that just looks so wrong, man. And I don't know what it is. Alright, people, Karen is a part of team push people as we see them, you know, so I'm gonna play aggressive now. Flip it, Karen. Alright, people, I'm eating a Dare Burger. Try to see if we can get some calcium and some antioxidants in my system this early in the morning. Alright, I see one dude coming here. Alright, he's not running the big house, I'm taking this. Alright, so his teammates there with him, give me a couple. Alright, so there's yeah, they're over there. Come on, get up there. I'm gonna try not to have Karen carry me the entire match. Don't snipe me. get it. Tell me it's real. Aaron, you scared the shit out of me. Thanks though. Alright, tinggal nang ano yun. Yay! Karen gana my house. Hey, I rent out a house already, you know? My house that. Ask anybody about it. I'll tell you. My house are living. Alright, so me get the Ice King. I'm not even 100% certain if we do it all the time. I was like, me get the prisoner skin and me don't even try it yet. Is that somebody that? No, not somebody. Nah, it's no one, it's no one. Alright, so it's not rifle, right. Probably risk. There's some glider redeploy over in the sandpit, southwest 256 if you want it. I don't know if you do. Or you Gucci with the balloon. Wanna go loot? See what's up? Just realized I haven't shared the stream yet either. So I don't even think nobody know my stream. Alright, here. That does that. Alright, what we doing now? Because I have a sniper spray on the bridge there, so me no. Also, people of the stream, don't forget, for Valentine's Day, we're actually doing a discount for your Akimbo pack. So you guys can get an Akimbo pack. 15% discount. We're just giving stuff away. You're buying it? Oh, you're not buying a heavy sniper. Alright, cool. Keep on living, so I see people carrying West 273 at the Modern House. Just cut that tree down. You probably see him. See him? West 278 moving northwest. Konnichiwa. Ni hao ma. That ain't. Where were my bullets going? Oh yeah, you're gonna get. Oh my god. Where were my bullets going? I was shooting this guy literally got no shot. None whatsoever, man. Yo, Piccolo son, what going? You depend. They ate their burger in the morning. Sorry, King Piccolo. King Piccolo. My apologies. Right. I'm just streaming about fun. I'm soon got offline still, cause I'm gonna get some work done early before everybody start rolling. Just wait, look some food out there. Wait for after 3. And then I get no food from the so the last night they were 45. Drop the marshmallow skin like right before what did it? Let's drop the marshmallow skin. Alright. Let's drop the marshmallow skin like literally a little bit before the season drop. Because I know people over want it and spend that money they should use on the battle pass. And guess what? You ain't got no money to buy no battle pass next season because you'll be finish. So in the V-Bucks done what you have to do. Buy some more V-Bucks. Dragon Ball Fighters, yeah. Sorry, Fighters Z. I don't care if anybody wants to say it's Fighters. It's Fighters Z. Oh, come on. Oh. All the time it's the lag. All the time it's the lag. Really? Another one there somewhere. Oh, you got him. Nice. Of all the time it's the lag. My brother bring you across the other day. The Fighters Z. The game nice though. I'm not tell you right. Mother screen. The reason why I wouldn't stream it is because when we update it, because so intense my youth, be a bad word. That's the only reason why I wouldn't stream it. I'm trying to provide a family friendly content here on YouTube. Yo, it's tough to pick along, I tell you. Tough, man. And one of them games the way, even if you lose, you still have fun, and that's what I really like about some games. I love games that make you have fun. That's one of the reasons why I play Fortnite. That's one game that make you have fun. Yes, Karen, you got what you wanted. Alright. Ratings, yeah. Hey, Uchiha, what's up? Good morning to you. I try to make get some stuff, see me can get some stuff done as usual, and me a stream. I gotta look like I watch TV. Yeah, and it look like you watch TV. Oh, me? Oh, yeah. Yeah, me have the ratings guide or the rating thing will come up. So like if it's a mature rating, you see TVG, and if it's a M rated, you see TV, typical TVM. So you know exactly what the rating is done. The game don't like your current, the game really give you two stuff stuff, right? That's all. No, fighters. Oh. Come on. No, but if you watch like the Fortnite videos I'm gonna put out, there's if me have anyone me play with any of the people them who actually swear on them something, I always have the universal system to show it's a M rated or G rated video, so you know before you actually start the video. That way if you watch the video, children or your family. Right, hold up. Maybe like it too. There you go. But let me just say, they put the rating system just in case if you watch it with anybody who you don't want to respect, you don't want them to hear the swearing and so. So that way, as soon as the video starts, you see the rating at the top left, so you know if it's a mature rated film or it's a family friendly film. So you know instantly whether you must put that in your watch later or you must go watch it later or whatever. Karen under 4 kills. Random doors. No, this is Karen Smith. This is the woman that carries me in every game that we have played ever. Right? I want a Shambhala One of Shambhala squaddy. If that's the right word for it. Right? And she good. Better than me. I mean, everybody better than me, but like she much better than the people who better than me. So like, Ochia, Ash have competition, you know. So yeah, my current start straight. Oh, that's where the other one is. But yeah, man, she good, man. Oh, which yeah, check it. This is how I go to work. This is how I go to work. Competition nowadays. Come on. Nobody can beat the Save the World tickets. What, this shirt? Hey, look, I pay good money for this shirt. But this one, the grey no shot. Tomorrow Saturday, the grey no shot. Me wear the blue, come and work tomorrow. Blue shot. The blue you face, the blue shot. Then again, you're supposed to see blue. If you watch the Grand Market vlog, I'm gonna put out. Alright, so anytime Shirley come 1v1. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is it, the match of the century, where we will be pitting Karen Smith against Miss Uchiha Gamer YouTube. This match will be best out of 5. First person to 5 wins. This match will be promoted over a 1 month span. This match will also include a cash prize of $10 PSN or Xbox Live gift card, since Karen is on Xbox, I think. So, winner gets the prize. They get some money, some fun. Karen can use this money to buy some new items. Shia can use this money to buy some new items and or give away on our YouTube channel. Who will the winner be? You guys can place your bets right now. Also, this will be something. PS4, where it there? Which PS4? My PS4? My PS4 there under the desk. This is what time it is now. You see, I'm ping the 88 now, steadily. Right? And as soon as me get it back for games, I try to see me can work with some companies and stuff so we can start set up some cheaper deals for people who are YouTubers and gamers and stuff. I'll play some bets with my coins. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, that's how we'll do it. You go bet a certain amount of coins, right? And then now I'll tally up the amount of coins. And then now, sure you want to switch to the AK? I mean, it does more damage, but like the recoil is all over the place. So you have to really time your shots. You have to fire and wait, fire and wait, fire and wait. Because if you fire, program it. Me just learn how to program on first, but yo, I don't fully get the program. As much as me know, I don't fully get the program yet. So, me soon learn it off still, right? If it was a language, it would have probably be easier for me, but it's not. Well, it is a language, right? But it's not really a language. It's more like commands instead of a language, and that's kind of why it's so hard. It's not as easy for me as it's supposed to be. If it was a language now, when we could have learned it, then we could have experiment and try something. But like me say, it's not a language. Check it, show it off. Might have put trap in their roof. Sneaky bastards. Oh, listen, catch that. That's a good something you can be the first one. Like I tell you, me used to do C++, C++, Java, C Sharp, Bool, and we did start learn HTML5. So I could do website. Well, I'm gonna create down there now, Karen. I'm gonna start learning HTML5 so I can write website. So as soon as my income start flow the proper way, I can start write some websites and stuff, and then now we can just start pay for web hosting and stuff like that, right? And then we can see. Oh, so what next I'm gonna create there? You're right. And then eventually now we can probably apply for a sponsorship from domain.com. That's most likely them me go use. I do them all. Good vibes. The only one I never used to do was on Python. I never did learn Python. I don't know why. Like Python was like back-end program back in the day when Symbian programs Symbian phones used to take over. Python was the thing. So I should have went and learned Python so I could have make Symbian apps, but then me just never know my full potential. Even now, I still don't know my full potential. I know I can do that I want, but I just never know my full potential then. And because of that, I never really chance certain things. But like, no. But like, no. Kind of start know my potential now. I just say, you know what? Alright, so I guess that's 2 teams and you, Karen. Oh. So I know my full potential now. So now I actually start do more and use my brain a little bit more. Instead of just have it they put on. Yeah, I know them, but I don't use them. Oh, cool. Yeah, man. Pick up a 1 by 1 and come up make shit sniper. Yeah, man. Anyway, so now, yeah, I'm starting my full potential now, so. Actually start try to learn more now. Focusing more on learning and stuff. Because me didn't want to go college. Me didn't want to go college so bad and I just couldn't get to go college because the people them just never have it, so I say alright, just miss out on that the learning opportunity there. And then I found YouTube and I realized that you can learn anything on YouTube. Alright, so you know what I wanted there. There's one, so that's oh, that one up there is probably solo. And that one over there is probably. Alright, so it definitely look like 3 solos. But that's why me keep on telling them the other younger kids who come in the stream and stuff, where they go to school and stuff. Me tell them, yeah, me can pretty much learn anything. Alright, the truth is, as long as me apply myself to it, me can learn it. But there are some things that me just not find practical, so me not try to learn. Oh, did that miss? Liar game. So because of that now, I just try to encourage them. I tell them, say yo, have the opportunity, go to school and thing, Use it up. As the day they'll come. The day will come. And you'll want to do it and can't do it. GG's in the chat, yo. I mean, like, you did a lot better than I did. She did a lot better than I did. Way better than I did. That's not my opinion. That's a fact. Alright. So, people, probably I got in the stream soon. Yeah. Alright, so people, I'm in the stream right now, and I can get some work done. So, thank you everybody for stopping by, and I'll be online again later on at about 6. Anywhere between 6 and 6:30. Alright? So, yeah. Thanks much, Karen, for being my duo partner. Really appreciate it. Right? You bring me even when you're dead. This is. So, yeah. That could be a round of applause. So, yeah, people, yeah, thank you guys for everybody who passed through. Again, Valentine's Day. I'm gonna try to see if we can do a giveaway for Valentine's Day. Also, if you guys are interested in doing like thumbnails, intro, end screen, open, title, all that stuff, we have a sale coming up for Valentine's Day. You get 15% off any Atumbo part that you buy or any item that you purchase. So, yeah, there's that. So, yeah, we'll just give away some more stuff and just make some more stuff more affordable and more free and all that jazz. So, yeah, I feel like my talk for yeah. Alright, so again, yeah, guys, catch you guys later. So, yeah, take care, people.